and we've got a couple of songs on there that I know you guys would love, but we're running short with time, so we're just going to do one for you. This is one that I grew up listening to my family sing when I was just a little girl. It's one of my favorite kind of traditional Christmas songs, non-traditional. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is the new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say I am married, we'll say no man, but you can do the job when you're in town. Later on we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid the plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland. Doesn't that feel like Christmas? Jeff, you got some snow over there?
Oh, I do.
Hell, you got it. That feels better. In the middle, we can build a snowman and pretend that he's a circus clown. We'll have lots of fun with Mr. Snowman until the other kitties knock him down. When it snows, ain't it thrilling? Blow your nose, gets a chillin'. Well, Frolic and play, they ask him